Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So sa video natin mag-unbox tayo nitong Cherry Ion Personal Air Purifier. So now, let's start the unboxing. So pagpasensyahan nyo na kung may background tayo ng mga tila ng manok kasi binivideo ko to early morning and nandito tayo sa probinsya. Syempre minsan may mga motor at mga tricycle pa kayong naririnig sa background. So, start na natin i-unbox itong aking bagong Cherry Ion Personal Purifier. So, kung fina-follow nyo yung vlog ko or this YouTube channel, maalala nyo na nag-share na rin ako before ng personal air purifier which is yung Ion Air by Dr. Zen. Unfortunately, I lost that. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nawala. So, bumili akong bago. So, this one, the Cherry Ion Personal Air Purifier. So, sabi dito, it emits 50 million negative ions per cubic centimeter. So, yan. Safe from airborne bacteria and viruses through 50 million negative ions technology. Safe air within 3 feet radius vicinity, destroys pollutants that may cause asthma and allergy, and eliminates smoke and dust for safe, comfortable breathing. So, this personal air purifier comes in 5 colors. So, merong black silver, which is yun yung binili ko, white silver, black gold, white gold, and white rose gold. So yan, so rechargeable siya via micro USB, up to 12 hours usage, portable and stylish, and zero maintenance, no filter to replace or to clean. So yan lang yung nasa box. And then sa likod, so yeah, the Cherry Ion Personal Wearable Air Purifier is a safe and healthy portable device that emits 50 million ions per cubic centimeter per second, and it takes away harmful airborne pollutants. It creates a 3-feet zone of cleaner and healthier air around your personal breathing space. So for the specs, so yan, 68 by 38 by 16 mm yung size niya. So ang weight niya is 45 grams. So yun nga, ang ine-emit niya na negative ions is 50 million per cubic centimeter. Ang ginagamit niyang battery is polymer lithium battery, 500 mAh. Work time is around 12 hours. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin ng mga 12 hours. And charging time is 2 to 3 hours. So, maganda yung kahon niya. So, para siyang mamahalin. And then, nandyan naman na lahat yung mga information, mga basic information na kailangan nyo malaman. So, now, buksan na natin. Tingnan na natin kung ano yung laman. So, medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Wait. So, yung laman niya, this one, is the air purifier. then ano pa bang nasa loob? And this one is yung charging cable, so USB siya. And then merong lanyard or lace, so yun, ikakabit natin yan dun sa device para pwede mo siyang gawing necklace. And then yung user manual, so yan lang yung user manual. So basically nandun na rin naman yung mga information sa box, and then may mga additional information dito like yung mga main functions niya like sterilization, air purification, radiation protection. And then yung binasa ko nga kanina na mga specs niya nandito rin. And then yung mga instructions on charging and indicator status. So yun, pag low on battery, red yung color niya, and then pag charging, red din. Pag fully charged, green. Pag operating, green. So tatandaan niyo lang yon. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yon. So meron din mga instructions dito on how to turn on and to turn off the device. Also, operation and storage temperature, accessory, and some mga warning na hindi nyo dapat gawin sa product. So if the device is not to be used for a long period, please charge it once every 2 months to preserve the functionality of the product. Okay, so now buksan na natin yung air purifier device. So ayan, ganito lang siya kaliit. So sobrang liit lang niya. And then dito sa taas, nandito yung kung saan mo ikakabit yung lace or yung tali para magawa mo siyang necklace. And then tong dalawang brushes na to na nasa taas, dyan lumalabas yung mga negative ions. And then sa baba, so ito yung light indicator, ito yung charging port, and then ito yung on-off button. And then ito is parang exhaust lang siya para siguro yung heat nung device is merong paglalabasan. So it's made of plastic and sobrang gaang lang niya. I guess meron ding aluminum. Feeling ko this one is plastic and this one is aluminum yung component niya. So ngayon, try na natin. So open natin. So yan, green. So pag green, ibig sabihin nag-work siya and may charge pa siya. So ikabit naman natin tong lace niya. So madali lang naman, para lang siyang ID. So insert mo lang yung isang end and then ipasok mo yung kabila para mag-lock siyang ganyan. So yan. And then now naman, try naman nating i-charge. So para makita natin yung device kung nag-charge siya. So off muna natin. So yan. Then wait lang. Yun. Ayan. So red yung ilaw niya. So ibig sabihin it's charging. So yun. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up at i-share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos.